Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a recently constructed house using modern construction technique. It is located in Goshen, St. Elizabeth. The property is very well appointed, offering six very spacious bedrooms and six bathrooms with a large kitchen and living room. The property has very modern features such as ceramic tiles, decramastic roofing, granite countertops, a very spacious island in the kitchen and a large gazebo outside, automatic garage door, and electric vehicular entrance gate. This half-acre lot is flat and is prime for cultivating a backyard garden of vegetables and fruits. This is an excellent opportunity to own this very spacious and modern residence in a very quiet residential neighborhood on the outskirts of Santa Cruz. I urge you to call and make an appointment to view this very attractive property before it's gone. Call today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US. $285,500 to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.